Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is day 18 of Gazabellz and right now I am getting ready to go to my grandparents' house to help my grandma with some stuff. Whew, it kind of broke me out in a sweat a little bit, but yeah, it'll do for now. I am feeling so good because I was able to finish majority of the things that I need to get done for work, which is really nice. I think I just didn't finish like one thing, but I can definitely finish that when I come back from vacation. Who wants to go over to your grandparents' house? Who wants to go? You want to go see your Grammy? But first you guys gotta put on your Christmas sweaters. Ooh, let's see if that'll fit over your harnesses. Watch. If I go into the game room and pull out their leash, Carlito's gonna go crazy. Carlito, come on. Come on. Come on. Guess what I'm doing? Oh. See? You see how ridiculous? These are Gucci. Why are you crying? Okay, so we have one harness. And then where is the other harness? Right here. Next to all these are Sunny's stuff. This was Sunny's collar. We had to take it off of him because it was too tight around his neck. And then this is his little service dog vest. You know, don't ask. So Deuce and Carlito has a double leash. And Carlito needs it because he likes to bolt off. And Deuce is great at holding him down. Dude, I'm gotta be patient. Patient, Carlito. I don't know if I should bring you over. Because you're too much for me. You see where Deuce is? Deuce is patiently waiting over there. Okay, so this is my outfit for today. I have my pullover from Chew, the Sherpa teddy bear pullover. I have a cream turtleneck underneath. I'll probably take that over when I get to my grandparents' house. My skirt is from Topshop. I got this a while ago and it's pretty nice. I'm wearing my Gucci tights along with my knee-high boots and my Tory Burch purse.
Smile and be yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we. It's the fifth of love. It's the fifth of love. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we.
So I'm back home now. I changed into my Vlogmas
Me too.
sweatsuit.
Me too. You see it?
You see it?
No.
I put it on there. I put it on there with clear print though.
Just like the ones I used to know. The white Christmas, of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write.
So that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Paalam!